guys, welcome to Ausbildung. So today we will solve a numerical and that is related to GATE examination. So let's begin with the session. Question says here a 10-volt battery with an internal resistance of 1 ohm is connected across a non-linear load whose VI characteristic is given by 7I is equals to V square plus 2V. The current delivered by the battery is. So it is asking about the current that is being delivered by battery. So first of all, let us make the circuit. So here 10-volt battery is connected. So first of all, make here 10 volt. And this 10-volt battery has an internal resistance of 1 ohm. Connect here 1 ohm. Now here load is connected. This load is a non-linear load and its VI characteristic is given as 7I is equals to V square plus 2V. So here voltage that is across this load is V and current that is entering this load is I. So now apply KVL here. So we will get here 10 minus 1 into I minus V is equals to 0. And now we have to find I from this non-linear equation. So here I is equals to V square plus 2V upon 7. So now substitute this value of I in this equation 1. So here we will get 10 minus V square plus 2V upon 7 minus V is equals to 0. So now here we will get 70 minus V square minus 2V minus V is equals to 0. So here we will get, here we will get 7V. So now this will give us V square plus 9V minus 70 is equals to 0. So now solving this linear quadratic equation will give us V is equals to 5 comma minus 14. So we will take here positive value 5 volt. So now substitute this value of V in the non-linear equation, that was I is equals to V square plus 2V upon 7. So here substitute V is equals to 5. So 5 square plus 2 into 5 upon 7. So this will give us 5 ampere. So current that is being delivered by the source is 5 ampere. Thank you guys. Hope you all like the session. If you all want me to make more videos, please like, share and subscribe and press the bell icon. Bye guys.